Little Kirk searches for a missing mother.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Hope and Bursley James, otherwise called Tiny, mother of singer Little Kirk, has been missing from her Savannah Lamar home in Westmoreland since Boxing Day. The entertainer said he's concerned that she has never been away from home this long.
Yeah man, blessed day, blessed night, blessed morning to everyone out there. You understand? Yeah man, this is Little Kirk, Singer Foundation. You know, like about from the 26th, Boxing Day, December 26th, my mother gone missing, you know. She come out of the yard and we can't find her. She's from Savlamar, a place named Farm. You understand? And we are searching, put up all kind of thing out there. You know, if we try to find her, we still don't find her. I think about 18 days this now, and we kind of really get worried and things. So I just ask anybody out there if you see her. Her name is Open Bursley James. You understand? Them call her Tiny. You know, she have a little memory thing I go on still and thing, but you know, you can call 1-876-504-3393. You understand? Yeah man, Hope and Bursley. She missing from the 26th, which is Boxing Day, until now. I don't know this grimy already, you know, you understand me? So I just appeal to everyone that can help if you buck her up on the road anywhere. We're still searching and everything, so bless you, thank you.
According to Little Kirk, the matter was reported to the Savannah Lamar police, who went through the community with loudspeakers trying to find her with no success. The mother of 4 is 5 feet 2 inches tall. She is of slim build and was last seen wearing a brown dress with diamond patterns in black and a white tie head.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!